8 phrasal verbs to sound more fluent in English. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore 8 essential phrasal verbs that will boost your fluency and help you speak more like a native. These phrases appear frequently in everyday conversations, movies, TV shows, writing, and more. Mastering them will make your English sound smoother and more natural. Clear meanings and practical examples will be shared so you can start using them right away. Let's get started. 1. Drum into. Meaning, teach by repeating many times. Example, the teacher drummed the rules into the students every day. 2. Stir up. Meaning, cause strong emotions or trouble. Example, his speech stirred up anger among the crowd. 3. Settle down, meaning become calm or stable. Example, after moving to a new city, she finally settled down. 4. Crack up, meaning suddenly laugh a lot or break down emotionally. Example, we all cracked up when he told that funny story. 5. Fend for, meaning take care of yourself without help. Example, after his parents left, he had to fend for himself. 6. Delve into, meaning explore or investigate deeply. Example, she decided to delve into the history of the city during her vacation. 7. Drift off, meaning gradually fall asleep or move away slowly. Example, I usually drift off while listening to calm music. 8. Dive into, meaning start doing something eagerly and with energy. Example, I dived into learning English because I want to speak fluently. Keep using these verbs in your daily speaking and writing, and your English will become more fluent and natural. Stay confident, keep learning, and remember, you're making great progress. Thank you.